Networks to bring you this week's Fiber Fact Friday. Greenlight is building our fiber network from scratch, so when you place an order for our lightning-fast internet, our team will have to come out and connect your home to the network we just built in your area. While this process is seamless and hassle-free for you, our technicians are working diligently to create a direct fiber connection to your home and to give you the reliability and speed you deserve. Forget about sharing bandwidth with your neighbors like you might have to with a 5G connection. With Greenlight, you have that dedicated line running to your home and all to yourself. Not only are we connecting your home to our network, but we're also ensuring that you're getting top speed internet. Once the fiber cables are run to your home, our technicians will connect those cables to a modem inside of your home. This is a piece of equipment that connects to a device or wireless router to your home internet. All the necessary labor and equipment for this installation is covered by a one-time installation cost. You'll just need a router for wireless access, but we got you covered there if you added our total managed Wi-Fi service to your order. Are you in a serviceable neighborhood? Check to see if your home has already been connected to our network by a previous homeowner. If so, activating your service could be as simple as picking up a modem from our office, saving you on installation costs. Did you know that having fiber internet can increase your home's value by up to 4.9%? U.S. consumers have rated high-quality broadband as the second most important amenity in a home, just after a laundry room. So, invest in fiber and have the freedom to work, play, and live without limits. Thanks for watching this week's Fiber Fact Friday.